Samsung has announced plans to cut the price of its Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge smartphones. So what's behind this change? Joining us now to talk about it is Roger Cheng, executive editor at CNET. Roger, this is really a head-scratcher. Let's cut to the chase. What does Samsung's decision to drop these prices on the Galaxies say about the smartphone market right now?
Yeah, I think the entire market's suffering from a real boredom issue. I mean, when's the last time you were really excited about a new smartphone? And I think it's not just Samsung, right? You're seeing these results bear out in HTC, LG, a host of other smartphone vendors. You know, there's a real, I think, demand issue right now. Combine that with slower than expected demand from the US and China, and you've got a lot of short-term pain for these guys.
Well, one of the problems for Samsung is, in a sense, they didn't anticipate which phone would be more popular. They thought they produced more of the S6. They didn't produce enough, apparently, of the S6 Edge. And now they can't satisfy either market. They have a glut of the lower-end phone and not enough of the higher-end phone. Right.
They made a critical mistake in misanticipating what phone people would want to buy. And again, let's face it, if you want to spend $500, $600 on a phone, you're going to go all the way. You're going to get the higher-end Edge device. It was definitely a more unique-looking phone, and critically, it got more praise. And so Samsung really screwed up when it came to figuring out or judging what people wanted.
And are they going to be able to make this up now on volume if they give the phones away essentially at rock-bottom prices?
Well, in the past, there have been a number of phones that have gone through huge discounts. Usually it doesn't go so well. The Amazon Fire phone, the Facebook phone all saw massive discounts a few months after they launched, and those discounts didn't really help.
Yeah, and those discounts kind of got them out of the phone business. I mean, Samsung Galaxy was really the leader in the larger format. Is this going to be something like the Razr, where they've just missed it and they're not going to be able to get back into this market and really capture people's imagination?
And it's unclear whether or not Samsung will actually exit the business. I think that's a little too far out, but they're going to have struggles. I think on the low end, they're facing competition from Chinese vendors like Huawei and Xiaomi. At the high end, you know, Apple still keeps cranking away, and Samsung still can't figure out the formula for getting back to a growth trajectory.
Well, the formula seems to be maybe having a real ecosystem.
Yeah, well, that's also part of the problem. I mean, Samsung makes Android phones. It's where the bulk of its business is based on. Unfortunately, everyone else makes an Android phone, so it's harder and harder for Samsung to stand out.
All right. Thanks so much, Roger, for joining us. And thank you for watching. I'm Bertha Coombs. Have a great day.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Downey from CNBC. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. Here you'll find videos packed with all the info that you need to be smarter about your finances. Be sure and subscribe by clicking right here, and click on all the videos around me to see CNBC's original series Young Money, Tech Bet, Kramer's Mad Money, and all the latest from CNBC.